I'm in a bit of a dilemma. I was invited to a wedding this weekend, and it dawned on me that I don't have a proper dress watch. So I went ahead and picked up two of the best watches I could find on Amazon that were sub $200. I'm going to be unboxing them today. I'll review them and decide which watch I end up taking with me this weekend. So let's go ahead and unbox them. I'm going to go ahead and start with this one. This is from a company called FEICE. I'm not familiar with their watches. I know this is a Chinese company, which I'm actually really curious to see the quality and the craftsmanship on this watch. Definitely very simple design, very clean. You can see there on the right there, it says 35 Stunden, which is German for hours. So they're really trying to sell this Bauhaus style, which I like it. You can generally go two ways with a dress watch. You can go as clean and as simple as possible, or you can go all out, kind of James Bond style with a chronograph and whatnot. Let's go ahead and see how it looks on the wrist. I really actually do like that. It's very clean, very simple. Yeah, it is quite clean. I was a little concerned about the size because my wrists are definitely on the thinner side. So I was worried about how that would look, but I actually like this. I think there's nothing wrong with that at all. Clasp is pretty nice too. It's double butterfly clasp, I think is what they call it. I had some issues with it. Go ahead and take it off. I had some issues with it, but once I figured it out, it was pretty easy to get it back on. You just gotta put the belt in the loop first and then click it in. But yeah, pretty cool. Ooh, I don't know. This is pretty strong. I like this watch. But let's take a look at the other one. All right, drum roll, please. It's a TIMEX. There it is. This is the TIMEX Marlin. It is quartz, but who really cares? It is a chronograph, and it's a damn good looking timepiece. All right, here it is, the TIMEX Marlin chronograph. This one definitely wears a little bit smaller on the wrist, which again, I like that. I feel like this is the perfect size watch for me. Okay, comparing them both side by side, one thing to note, this one is actually over $200. I believe it was $209, but there was a 12% discount on Amazon, so I picked it up for about $180. This one is in the $150 range. So got them both for sub $200. Links in the video description if you want to pick up one for yourself. This is really tough. I really can't decide. I'm gonna need a little bit more time to think about it. So I will make a follow-up video letting y'all know what watch I end up going with. I just can't decide right now, so stay tuned. I will make a follow-up video and we'll see how they look with the suit and what watch ends up winning and which watch doesn't.